Everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to make Shopify store live. So what you're going to have to do in order to publish your Shopify store is to simply go to your settings, and then what you're going to have to do is to make sure that you pick a plan. So you're going to need to have a plan, and basically you can start the free trial if you want, so you don't have to pay right away. So as you can see, I have my trial here. So simply click on view all here. And then here, what you're going to have to do is to simply click on select a plan. And as you can see here, you can get the Shopify plan for €1 per month for the first 3 months. And you can go to get the basic one if you want. And after you select one of these plans here, what you're going to have to do is to simply go back and then simply go to online store. And then here, you're going to have to simply go to preferences. And after that, you're going to have to scroll down and then simply disable this option here, the password protection. Simply disable this, and that's all you have to do in order to publish your Shopify store. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.